Charlie, you were lucky this time. It was only a minor heart attack. Time now, Charlie, for you to get serious. You need to step down for running the store. You can no longer take all the long hours and all that heavy lifting and hard work.
You're absolutely right, Doctor. Charlie has agreed to sit in the front rocking chairs in front of the store. That way he can take it easy, but he can still see his old customers. Mom and I will get him out of the house.
Smart decision, Charlie.
Are you really gonna retire, Charlie?
Charlie, you're gonna be bored to death if you don't come in here every day.
Don't worry about it. The old ticker and me are just wearing out. Yeah, so I'm gonna be out front, sitting in the rocking chair, watching. So you don't need to worry about me. If I stayed at home, Peggy and the missus would put me to work every day.
I understand that.
Put the pepperoni sticks in your pocket. The owner will think it's a gun.
Oh, you're so smart. Nobody's gonna get hurt. No accidents. Nothing could go wrong.
Put your mask on.
100 to communications.
100, go ahead, sir.
Home out code 20, Charlie's Grocery Board Junior, Lake Wheeler Road.
10-4.
I'm gonna run in and say goodbye to Charlie right quick, and I'll be back.
Empty the register, old man.
Money on the table, Grandpa. Be quick about it.
Come on, guys, you don't want to do this. You're gonna spend several years in prison for just a few bucks?
Be quick about it. We're deadly serious.
Act fast or we just might blow your head off.
Think about it, guys.
Charlie? Hands in the air. Let me see your hands. Drop the weapon. Turn around, face the counter. 230, got a 6'5", 1031. Get on your knees, raise your hands high in the air. Covering.
Put your hands behind your back. Stay there, don't move. Stay there, don't move. I've got him.
Charlie, you okay? Charlie. 100 communications, 1033, I need EMS.
All rise. The Honorable Paige Phillips, President and Presiding. Draw near and be attentive.
Please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you have heard all of the evidence from the defendants and from the state. It is now time for closing arguments. You will first hear from Attorney Thompson for defendant Petra Peterson.
Permission to approach the jury, Your Honor?
Yes, Counselor.
Thank you. Thank you for listening carefully to all of the evidence that was presented to you today. You were very attentive throughout the whole process. But the most important thing that was heard from this witness stand is that these two did not intend to hurt anybody. The pepperoni sticks were used merely to ensure that no bullets went flying. That is the most important point. Defendant Petra Peterson is not guilty of murdering Charlie. At most, the evidence supports a verdict of robbery. Thank you.
Next will be Attorney Benson, the lawyer for co-defendant Petunia Peterson.
Permission to approach the jury, Your Honor?
Yes, Counselor.
Thank you. Defendant Petunia Peterson is a simple person. All that she did was follow her cousin's lead in doing what she was told. If she is guilty of anything, it is of being an unwise young lady. She never wanted to hurt anyone. Your verdict should be for robbery and not for murder. Thank you.
And now we will hear from District Attorney Wilson.
Your permission to approach the jury, Your Honor?
Yes, Counselor.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the simple fact that no words can temper is that Charlie White is dead. He died when the fake pistol was shoved into his face because he thought a real pistol was going to be fired that day. And he was scared for his life, scared to death. Now, these two defendants over here were too lazy to go out and work for the money that they so desired. And instead they sought to go after crime. And now Charlie's dead because of that decision. Now, the judge and I are going to inform you of a law that has been enacted here in America since colonial days and has been enacted in Great Britain for the past 1,000 years. Now, this law is called the felony murder rule. And what it states is during the commission of a felony, if anyone dies, the defendants are charged with murder in the first. Now, I know that the state and your fellow neighbors would like you to uphold the law. And when you swore in your oath as jurors, you swore that you would follow the law. You would uphold it. And what I'm asking you, what Charlie White would be asking you, is to deliver a verdict of murder in the first. That is your duty. Thank you.
At this time, do all parties rest?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Does either party have a motion they wish to present at this time before we begin jury instructions?
Time for you to decide. Is this murder or manslaughter? Are the robbers guilty of murder in the first degree? Is this a capital crime? What should be their punishment? Post your comments at Moodle or email ron_campbell@ncsu.edu.